Today, I want to talk about some things that you should be on the lookout for during the sales that are coming up for Black Friday and now Black November. I think that it's a great time for you to stock up or to purchase some of the things that you have been wanting over the year, that now that you have all that time behind you, you go, dang, I really needed this item, or I really could use extra of this. It really gives us some time to reflect and capitalize on a lot of the sales that these companies are having. Now, this is not going to go into any specific deals on specific things, but I am going to go over a couple of the things that I would look out for that are not, the big ticket items like a camera or a lens or a flash. These are some things that I have purchased over Black Friday that I have found to be really helpful, and you get really steep discounts on them because they aren't the sort of like big name brand, big ticket item, and they're trying to get some more attention. So you can get some pretty sweet deals on a lot of this stuff. Now, the first thing is going to be a tripod. A tripod is probably one of the most used, the most utilized, the one thing that you're going to have for every single shoot. It is the item, but they do get passed over a lot. And for a lot of people who run businesses, for a lot of people who have worked for businesses, it's something that they don't spend a whole lot of money on. And so if I can encourage you guys to spend a little bit more, or to finally get something that was a little bit more that is now maybe on sale, this is the time to do it. Now, typically heads are purchased separately from the legs, but you can find good deals on it. I would look for a Benro if you really want a good one. Really Right Stuff, Really Right Stuff has great tripods. I'm not a huge fan of Manfrotto. People seem to really like them. I have never liked them. I don't like how they close. I don't like just how they last. They don't seem to last a long time. I have had this Benro Mach 3 aluminum 3-section tripod for well over 10 years. I think I got this bad boy probably 2013, 2014, and it is still going to this day. So look out for tripods, look out for good deals on those. And if you've had your eye on one, definitely pull the trigger on it, because it is one of the things you're going to use constantly, every time, without fail, in real estate photography. All right, another thing, I don't know if this is going to be on Black Friday deals. If they do, it will only be on Black Friday. But I would look at getting a CamRanger. These things are extremely expensive for what they are, but they work so well. They do what they are designed for so well, and you can tell that there has been so much thought put into them, that if you are going to get into higher end stuff, architecture, where you are doing a lot slower style of photography, a lot more meticulous, detail oriented stuff, you need to get a CamRanger. This is a CamRanger 2. I did buy mine used because I had to have it this year, and I have had my eye on it for a long time. They're just so expensive, but man, this has been so worth the money. And if it does go on sale during Black Friday, be on the lookout for them, because if you're going to do high-end stuff, it is worth it to invest in this. Get a good iPad and then learn how to shoot with it, because this is such a lifesaver when you are doing a lot of architecture work and you really need to be meticulous, and you have to have your shots bracketed out perfectly. You need to be able to zoom in and check focus. And it's just not something that you can do on a screen on these cameras. Even if you were to use the eye cup and stuff like that, sometimes you get the camera backed up into a corner or up against a wall, and it's just not possible to use the screen. And this guy is a lifesaver to be in another room, to be able to fully control every aspect of the camera. You can even manipulate the controls from the camera. You can turn the flash on and off, and it's just, everything is so great with one of these. I'd highly recommend looking for one of them. If you're going to do anything with Zillow 3D tours, or you are going to be doing some Matterport stuff, and you really don't want to get into one of those high-end cameras because they are so expensive, and in my opinion, they are not worth it. I have used all the high-end Matterport cameras, and they just are such a pain to use. They, for real estate purposes, unless you are shooting some, $18 million, $30 million home in California, or wherever, your real estate agents aren't going to notice the difference. So I would recommend looking at one of the Insta360 cameras. This is the X3. As far as I know, the X3 is the only one that is fully supported on the Matterport app. I know the new one is getting beta support, but I would not purchase a camera based on beta support. This thing, so I've done this for over a decade now. This camera has sped up and like opened my eyes to what 3D scanning should be. Because for real estate, we are a very niche market and we need things to be quick. We need prices to be, you know, wherever we're putting them. A lot of the time people like to compete on prices and stuff and, you know, drive costs down. This is something where I think, because with a regular Matterport camera, it has to spin around, it has to stitch, you have to download it. There's a lot of connection issues because the new ones use 5 gigahertz. This thing is so fast. It works so quickly. I never have any problems with it. The battery lasts forever, and it is only a couple $100s. And if you can get this on a Black Friday deal, this thing for virtual tours, for Matterport tours, for anything, I mean, any of the 360 tours, this thing is fantastic for it. I would highly recommend getting an X3, if X4 if you can, and you're okay with the support. Again, I said I think it's coming, but the X3 is where I'd put my money. And since this is the older model, you may even be able to get this for like a couple $100, like maybe even $200, which is crazy because this is a wonderful camera. Another one is going to be software, and I don't mean, you know, like the Creative Cloud and stuff like that. If they do, you know, hey, great time to subscribe to it. But what I'm talking about is like finishing software or like certain like specialty software that you would need for, you know, whether it is combining photos, HDR photos, Nik effects, Luminar Neo, stuff like that. Little things that are not what you're going to edit primarily in, but you are going to use as finishing work because they have very niche filters. They have ways of managing color or using color that is something that you like to use. I use Nik effects. I don't really like Luminar Neo. It has its moments, but I have found Luminar Neo to be cumbersome to use because it doesn't work with the way that I edit my photos, since I try and use a raw workflow with smart filters and things like that. It never has really worked for me. But a lot of people really love Luminar Neo, or maybe you want to get, you know, Resize AI or their Sharpen AI and things like that. I know that they have really, really steep discounts this time of year. And, you know, whether you get DxO as well, right? I think DxO owns Nik effects now. There's a lot of things that you could get. Or if you are looking for things like LUTs, presets, things in video editing, like, you know, anything Blackmagic. I guess Blackmagic is free, but you could get like the studio version of DaVinci Resolve, things like that. I'm trying to remember what my plugin is, but there's a number of plugins and things like that that you can get really steep discounts on this time of year. And it's a really, really good time to invest in those because maybe it was something like, man, $200 was a lot to spring, you know, back in the summer. But now that they're on a sale for $49 for a year of access, that's pretty good. Or a lot of the times this is when you see those like, you know, $900 knocked down to $100, that kind of stuff, right? Where it's like, man, it's ludicrously marked up and all of a sudden now it's really cheap. It's a great time to get those. Highly recommend the Nik effects, you know, plugins like Raya Pro or any of the blending and luminance masking things. It's a great time to get them if you've been on the fence because it's a really low investment to get something that you should be learning that can really help you out when you're starting to do high-end stuff. And lastly, the final thing I would look for, you know, outside of, again, of course, if you're looking for a big ticket item, it's a great time to find one of those. But the last thing I would recommend is a bag. I know we've gone over this guy. This is my Shimoda bag. This thing is extraordinarily expensive, but I will tell you, this is the first bag I have ever owned that is worth it. I would buy this again in a heartbeat. There are a couple more Shimoda bags that I want. There is like this cool roller bag that opens up like a doctor's bag that I really want to get for some of my other stuff. This bag has held up so well. The only thing that has broken on it is something that I stepped on because I leave it on the ground like an idiot. And it's just one of the little clips that I don't use. I don't use it, but it just sucks. But that was my fault. I stepped on it. It was not a fault of the bag, but it's something else that you can get, whether it's a Manfrotto bag, a low pro bag, whatever it is. They're really expensive, and this is a good time to invest in a quality bag because much like a tripod, these bags are going to be with you every single day on every single shoot, and it is a great time to invest in one of these because you can get them for pretty good discounts. And like I said, it's going to be what keeps all of your gear safe. It's going to be what you're, you know, carrying around when you're out doing stuff on vacant properties and things like that. And so if you have been waiting, even if you've been waiting to get like a separate bag for your drone or anything that I'm pointing to, you can't see. it's a great time to do that. Pelican cases are another one that you could get right now, that I think is another great investment, because anything that you can, get that is going to be with you forever or a very, very long length of time is a smart purchase right now, especially when things are so expensive with all the tariffs and everything else. I mean, Nikon cameras are up and lenses are up hundreds of dollars. And so anything you can do to save some money is really, really good. I know this year the sales don't seem like they are as strong or as good. Maybe that's just inflation, but that is what I would recommend getting this time of year during Black Friday. And if you guys have any recommendations for other people, anything that I may have missed that you're like, hey, this was a really good investment for me, leave it down in the comments below. Let other people know. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I know that it has been pretty quiet over the last month or two here. I'm in some pretty intense physical therapy for everything that I'm doing, but I am getting better and things are getting a little bit easier. And we're getting to a spot where I feel like I'm getting back to a good place. And I have a lot of things to go over, so keep an eye out for those videos. Again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.